Hello everyone, welcome to Boxtech Portable Cabins official YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to answer some questions which are frequently asked questions. What is portable cabin house, portable container house? A portable, demountable or transportable building is a building designed and built to be movable rather than permanently located. Smaller version of portable buildings are also known as portable cabins. Why should we buy portable cabins? Portable cabins are low-budget homes. It doesn't require any maintenance and anyone can buy because it's low-budget home. These movable structures are constructed with eco-friendly materials. These materials are safe to use for a long time. They do not rust, damage, or corrode because of environmental hazards. Can we customize the portable cabins? Yes, of course. You can customize the portable cabins as per your requirement and we will do the customizations as per customers' requirements. Does the portable cabins survive any season? Yes, the portable cabins are rust-proof, waterproof and also heat resistance and it can survive any season. Is there any warranty or guarantee for the portable cabins? Yes, we provide 2 years structure warranty for the portable cabin. What should I do if don't want the cabin after using it several years? You can resell the cabin or you can sell it as a scrap. It has good resale value as well as scrap value. What things are provided in the cabin by default? Everything which are required inside the house, such as door, window, fans, lights. How can I transport the portable cabins from one place to another? You can transport the portable cabins from one place to another through the help of any transport vehicle based on the size of the cabin, and also you need a crane for lifting the cabin, and you must and should have the invoice of the cabin to transport the cabin from one place to another. Can I set up the air conditioner AC inside the portable cabin? Yes, of course you can install AC inside the cabin and the AC installation socket is provided by default, but the customer need to inform on which side he wants the AC point. Based on his choice and selection we will provide the AC socket at the given place in the cabin. I have more questions in my mind. What should I do now? If you have any questions regarding portable cabin you can contact us through WhatsApp or call on our mobile number. We are ready to answer your questions there.